Hello guys, today we are going to be playing some Geometry Dash. This is my first ever video that I ever recorded. So, yeah. Uh, mostly I only use the community made, stuff, I guess, icons. So, I don't grind for stuff, like I don't play for 5 hours and beat demons and stuff. I just, play the game for fun, I guess. Oh, there's Stereo Madness. So if you guys never have ever heard or played Geometry Dash before, this is the first level of the game. It's called Stereo Madness. Like, I guess. Kind of easy. Pretty easy. Really easy, I guess. But if you're starting off in the game, it might not be too easy for you, but eventually you'll get the hang of the game if you play it constantly. And I might play different games if you guys ask me to play different games and just play this Geometry Dash game. Well, but also my username, I mean my YouTube name is specifically saying Geometry Dash. So, but that's also the first one right there. So, you get coins so you can get like you unlock levels that are called demon rated levels, and they're really hard levels. Basically, they're the hardest levels in the game, the demon rated levels. So that's the second coin. You have to jump up there. I always forget that it's there. So then there's demon rated levels that you unlock with the the coins, and there's also custom levels. The second coin's up here. I can never seem to beat this area though. I might be able to beat it now though. Yeah, I beat it. Yay! So those are all the coins for Stereo Madness, I guess. Well, I beat Stereo Madness. Then there's Back on Track, Polar Guys, Dry Out, Base After Base, Can't Let Go, Jumper, Time Machine, Cycles, X-Step, Clutterfunk, Theory of Everything, Electroman Adventures, Club Step, Electrodynamics, Hexagon Force, Blast Processing. This would be TOE TOE 2, which is Theory of Everything 2, and Geometrical Dominator. And then this one would be Deadlocked, and then this one would be Finger Dash. Well, it's Finger Dash. And then this is a vault called the Time Vault, or like Time Chamber of Time, I think. And well, you would say Code 3 Breaker is what you would do. Like, I guess COD 3 Breaker. And then you get a code at the top. Okay, never mind, but you usually get a code at the top. Okay. So this video, for my first video, is going to be a little bit short. So, well, my first video. Hope you like it. But just make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm also not one of those people that are desperate for subscribers and everything. All I care about is that if you guys like my videos, I'll keep uploading. So, hope you like it. I guess. Maybe make another video soon. Well, I definitely will make another video, but maybe not soon. Oh, bye guys!